quiet desperation as I wander through the world in which I live. I search everywhere for some new inspiration, but it's more than cold reality can give. If I need a cause for celebration or a comfort I can use to ease my mind, I rely on my imagination, and I dream of an imaginary time. And I know that everybody has a dream. Everybody has a dream. Everybody has a dream, and this is my dream, my own, just to be at home and to be all alone with you. If I believe in all the words I'm saying, and if a word from you can bring a better day, then all I have are these games that I've been playing to keep my hope from crumbling away. So let me lie and let me go on sleeping, and I will lose myself in paradise.